Hello and welcome back everyone. It is your girl Cassandra back with yet another video. Today's video is sponsored by a company called RoyalMe. This is the packaging. I thought it was super cute because it's white and had this nice ribbon. Excuse the little stains on the front. My hands were wet and I'm terrible with seeing things until after I record, so sorry about that. So anyway, they sent me a ponytail, and it's a different type of ponytail I've never seen. I'm going to actually tag everything down below. But it's like a ponytail that comes with like this little Velcro piece and on like this little piece of wig cap, I guess I'll say. And it has like a little, you guys can just see it. I'm terrible at trying to describe stuff. But anyway, they sent me this ponytail. Supposedly you're supposed to be able to just pop this on, wrap this little piece around, and then blend your hair. So I decided to style this on Olivia, and I wanted to show you guys how we do this ponytail on short hair. They also sent a brush and some bobby pins just to keep the ponytail extra secure. So I've already pressed Olivia out with my irons, and now I put some S3 spray in her hair, and I'm going in with the Got To Be, and I'm also going to be using some old school curling wax. Doesn't matter the brand, I'm just showing you guys exactly what I'm using. And I just wanted to start molding her hair up and using a brush to get all of her hair to lay. So when I do ponytails, I like to use curling wax just because it holds all the hair in place, and then you can go over it with like an iron or something hot and keep everything in place. So that's what we're doing here. And then I'm just gonna start like setting and positioning the hair the way I want it to go. We wanted to do some cute little baby hair. The company did ask for me to do a swoop bang, but of course I was gonna be able to do that on Olivia because her hair is shorter in the front and it would just look super crazy because it would be like hair sticking up everywhere. So we opted just to do like a super 70s chic type of look. So I'm just putting her bun in and I section off her baby hairs in the front. That's why there's like a couple hairs sticking out. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start to band her hair in like a tiny little bun, and then I'm gonna start playing around and wrapping the hair around. I left it out in this part, but I do believe I went back and made it into a bun. I can't remember, but it's in the video, guys. So anyway, I'm just wrapping this around. I'm having her hold this, and then I'm just gonna make sure everything's nice and sleek and secure. I'm using a rat tail comb, and I'm just making sure that the hair that I'm using to wrap around is nice and smooth and sleek. So now that that's onto my liking, I'm just gonna go ahead and start styling her baby hairs, and I'm just gonna use some of the Kaleidoscope Miracle Edges to go ahead and do that. And any hairs that are sticking up, I'm just going in with some more Got To Be and some curling wax and making sure they're secured. Side note, I noticed when I was putting the bobby pins in her hair, I did open one with my teeth, which I literally never do, but I did it on this video because it was like stuck together and I was being super lazy, so like disregard. This was a regular client, I would have never did this. I don't even know why I did it in this video, so yeah. Don't be like me, be better than me. So I'm just going in, I'm showing her how it looks from all angles. I did go ahead and press the ponytail after the video was shot, or towards the end somewhere. And then we're just looking at it, making sure that you can't see any of her little hair sticking out. It's looking pretty good. So now we're just gonna go in and start to lay her edges. Also, my iron will be dropping September 23rd for pre-order. I'm only doing a limited amount of pre-orders, so be sure to have your notifications put on. I will be going live also and posting on all my social media. But yes, tomorrow it's finally going down. So yeah, I'm just slicking Olivia's hair down, and I'm just going for like a 70s chic type of look, which is why we did like the little swoop baby hairs on the side, little swivels. And we're just going in and making sure everything is nice and laid and perfect. And then towards the end, I'll just go back in and I will press the ends of it just so the bump is all the same way and the hair's not facing different directions. The only critique I will say about this is that the mesh part that the hair was attached to was just a little bit on like the tougher material side, I'll say. So we were kind of playing around trying to make sure that it would lay. This is as flat as we can get it to lay, but it still didn't look terrible for the look we were going for. But just keep that in mind that you do have to put a little bit of work in. So she is all done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will tag everything down below. Shout out to you, Olivia, because we've literally been busting these videos out for the last 2 weeks. Shout out to RoyalMe for sponsoring this video, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.